Hello, my name is Arlen Robinson and I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Realty. This is part 3 of my online home buying seminar series where I will be discussing various topics through the home buying process. The first topic that I'd like to discuss today is why I feel each home buyer should use a realtor. It's very important that you work with a realtor in this market because it is a very competitive market and you need as much expertise, advice, and guidance as possible. I do understand that there's a lot of information online and that's available to everyone out there. However, a realtor can truly guide you from step A to step Z. As a buyer, you also do not pay a buyer agent's commission. That is paid by the seller of any home that you purchase, and that's paid at settlement. The second topic that I'd like to discuss today is the overall process of finding a home. The process of finding a home typically starts with a search of the MLS system. This can be done collaboratively with your agent, and they can search the MLS of any available homes that match your criteria. Once you find homes that match your criteria, you can then go on showings and take a look at these homes. Homes can be viewed, but I really encourage that you capture as much information as possible. This can be done using notes, taking a digital video camera, and capturing as much as you can. So when you go home, you can compare notes and determine which house that you would like to make an offer on. When you're ready to make an offer, your realtor will then be able to provide you what's called a comparative market analysis. This report will show you what other homes have sold for in the area so that you can make an informed decision and determine how much you want to make your offer for. And once your offer is accepted, that is when you go towards settlement. If you've decided to do a home inspection, that will be done shortly after your offer is accepted, and you'll be able to uncover any repair items in the home and ask the sellers to repair them. If there's anything major or anything that the sellers aren't willing to do, you could also withdraw your offer. I would also like to talk about foreclosures and short sales. 9 times out of 10, you will encounter various foreclosed properties or short sale properties that are on the market. Foreclosures are properties that are bank owned. These are properties that have already been foreclosed on and are currently owned by a bank. Typically, foreclosures are below market value. However, they may need a fair amount of work or repairs to get them to be in move-in condition. Short sales are a little different. Short sales are a situation where a seller is in a distressed situation where they're unable to keep up with their mortgage payments. If this is the case, what they will do is make an arrangement with their lender to pay off their loan at a lesser amount. Once you make an offer on this short sale property, your offer along with the seller's financial information gets presented to the lender, and that gets processed and a determination is made whether or not that seller will be granted an approval on the short sale. The problem with this process is it does take a long time and can typically take 2 to 3 months. If you have time to wait, this could be a viable option and you can still get a good deal. However, you definitely have to have time to wait. Thank you. This concludes this phase of the home buying seminar series. I look forward to seeing you guys at the next seminar.